Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a program to read any month number in integer and display the number of days for this month. So given a month as a input to the Python program, so your task is to display the number of days present in that particular month. So in order to solve this, so you should remember these things, that is month containing, that is if the month contains 28 days, that is refers to the February, that is 2. So if the month contains 30 days, so it will be like April, and 4 6 9 11. So these are the month numbers that contain the 30 days. So in order to remember this, that is 4 6 is a even number and 9 11 is a odd number. So this method you can use to remember this. So in order to solve this program, so let's use a if statement. So we will be asking a user to enter the month, and we will be checking using the if statement. If month is 2, so then print the 28 days. Else if month is in this range, that is 4 6 9 11. So if month is any of these numbers, so what you do is just print the 30 days. So we will be taking an else block to print the 31 days by default. So we'll be using an else block. So this is how I'll be trying to solve using the else block. So let's try to solve this. So let me delete this. So let me take a variable, that is month, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a month. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, that is a string, that is month, so it will be of type string. So let's use a type conversion to convert it into an integer type. Yeah, so once we get the month, so let's take a month list that contains the 28 days and 30 days list. So first is a February, so that contains a 28 days, and let's take another list, that is a nested list. So let's say 4 6 9 and 11. So these are the months that contain 30 days. Yeah, so we are taking two variables, that is month and month list. So we will be checking if month is valid. So we'll be taking another if statement to check if month is between 1 and 12. So let's use if statement, and let's compare 1 is less than or equals to month is less than or equals to 12. So generally the month should be in the range, that is 1 to 12. So let's take an else block and print a error message. So let's use a print statement, and let's say you entered invalid month. Yeah, so this is an error message that I'll be printing. Yeah, so if the month is a valid number, so what you do is just take the month, that is month in month list of 0. So we will be checking if the month is a February. So then what you do is just print the number of days as 28. The month contains 28 or 29 days. Yes, so this is a if statement to handle February month. So let's take a else if block and check if month in month list of 1, so that is containing the 30 days. So let's use else if block to print the number of days as 30 days. So let me copy and paste it over here. So this contains 30 days, and by default let's use a else block to print the 31 days. So let me paste it again, and let's modify here. This is 31. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to read the month number and display the number of days in that particular month. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a month. So let's give 45. So it is a invalid month number. So it has printed message. that is error message. So now let me re-execute it. Now let's give 1, that is January. So you can see the January month contains 31 days. Let me run it again and let's give 2. So you can see the month contains 28 or 29 days, that is a February month. Let me run it again and now so let's give 11. So you can see the month contains the 30 days. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept the month as integer and display the number of days present in that particular month. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.